Why HIV has no cure yet. Have you ever wondered why HIV is so tough to beat? Let's break it down in simple terms and explore how HIV infects the body and why finding a cure remains such a challenge. What happens when HIV enters the body? The moment HIV enters your bloodstream, it's on the hunt for CD4 cells, cluster of differentiation 4, the body's immune warriors. Once it finds one, HIV hijacks it by injecting its own genetic material. Think of it like a hostile takeover, where the virus reprograms the CD4 cell to become a virus-making factory. These newly created HIV particles then spread, infecting more CD4 cells and gradually weakening the immune system. Why is HIV so hard to cure? 1. The DNA hiding trick. One of HIV's sneakiest moves is its ability to hide by merging its genetic material into the DNA of infected cells. This means the virus essentially becomes part of the cell's blueprint, making it invisible to both the immune system and treatments. Even the most powerful medications struggle to track it down because it's camouflaged within the body's own cells. Number 2. HIV's secret hideouts. HIV isn't just good at hiding, it's also good at picking the perfect hiding spots. It creates reservoirs in places like the brain, lymph nodes, and bone marrow, where it stays in a sleeping state. These reservoirs make it nearly impossible to completely wipe out the virus. The danger? If treatment stops or the immune system weakens, these hidden viruses can wake up and restart the infection. 3. Rapid mutations. HIV is a master of disguise. Each time it replicates, tiny changes, mutations occur, helping it evolve and adapt. This rapid evolution means that even if a treatment works today, the virus can mutate and become resistant tomorrow, making it difficult for medications to stay effective. The role of antiretrovirals, ART. While there's no cure, there is hope through antiretroviral therapy, ART. ART doesn't remove HIV, but it stops the virus from making more copies of itself. By keeping the virus under control, ART helps people with HIV live long and healthy lives without the virus attacking their immune system. There is hope. Scientists are working tirelessly to find a cure. Some exciting areas of research include kick and kill strategies, waking up the sleeping virus in reservoirs so the immune system can attack it, genetic engineering, modifying CD4 cells to make them resistant to HIV infection. Bottom line, HIV is tough to cure because it hides, mutates, and creates hidden reservoirs in the body. But thanks to ART, people living with HIV can lead full, healthy lives, and with continued research, a cure could be within reach.